Friends, I'm going to show you how to access Schoology for the first time, but also to kind of rearrange your tiles so that you have a nice clean dashboard every time you log into Schoology and such that you can access this course really easily. So first thing that you're going to want to do is literally go to d303.schoology.com. You can type it directly into your browser, or you can just click on the link in the email that I sent you. And then once you go to d303.schoology.com, what you want to be able to see is what I'm seeing here right now, which is a dashboard, and it shows you all the tiles of all of the courses that either you teach or that you are enrolled in. If you are not seeing that, there's a chance you could be seeing just your updates and you're not seeing all your tiles, in which case you'd have to click on courses to be able to see your tiles, which is fine if that's what you want, but I'm going to show you really quickly how to change your settings so that every time you log into Schoology, you see what I'm seeing right now, and you can see all the tiles of the courses that you have access to right now. And it will show you your top 10 courses. So as you can see, I've got 12 courses visible here, but you can arrange it such that it shows up in the order that you want. So to do that, what you're going to do is click over here in the far right corner where you see your name, and you're going to have access to your profile. But what I want you to do is click on settings. And then once you've clicked on settings, you're going to scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom. And it's going to offer you an option to set your home page. Your home page is how you can see your dashboard. So either it will take you to recent activities and updates, which isn't usually what I recommend. Preferably, you want to be able to see your course dashboard. So click on course dashboard and save your changes. And then every time you log into Schoology, you will see all of the tiles of the courses that you are currently either facilitating, teaching, or enrolled in. Now, if you don't see the one that you want, for example, Empowering Through Blended Learning Part 1, what you're going to do is reorder your tiles, which you can do at any time, and it offers you a nice way to have some control over what you're seeing. So you're just going to click over here on My Courses, and you're going to see that under Manage Courses, there's an option here. It's a button that says Reorder Courses. Click on that. Now, this is cool because you can move all of these around however you like. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see all the courses that you are enrolled in, even if they are older courses. And you can move anything around in whatever order you want it to be in. And as you can see, I have moved Empowering Through Blended Learning Part 1 to the very front because that is our most current class. And now, when I click on courses or when I immediately go to Schoology.com, d303.schoology.com, it's the first tile that I see.